In this video, check this out. This is 278 piece pegboard set, and there is so much in here. I would be here all day if I had to go over all this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this up and just show y'all exactly everything you get here. This is by the company Clay with pegboard bins with the bins. So let's go ahead, and here's the box it came into. Just kind of gives you a little thank you there. That's pretty much it, but it breaks down everything you can see on here. You know, they have large and small. I have a small pegboard in my little shed here that where I hang stuff all the time, and I've got this because I've been wanting to upgrade the set. Oh man, this is a lot of stuff. Look at all of that, everybody. Let's go ahead and open these up. These are the bins. This is what I kind of needed too. I needed some bins to really like hang up, and it gives you a little set of instructions. This right here just kind of breaks down everything. You can see you get 2 of the long ones. That's these little screwdriver holders there. 12 of the bins. The bins is what I really needed. I will show you what I've got the bins for. Oh, I know what these are. These are like the holder hooks. This goes to kind of tighten it up. So what you want these for is when you put one of these hooks in, you're going to run this across, and it's going to add just a little more security to it. So let me go ahead and go in my little shed here, and let's set them up, and let's see what they look like. There's the bin. I really like the bins. Say I've got like random screws, nuts, and bolts. Here's the little holder thing right here. That goes like that. See how that goes? And what those are great for are screwdrivers. So you could run a series of screwdrivers down through there. I have one here that I've mounted. So these go like that, and you could see how I've used those things. And then look at how you have these little pieces right here. These little pieces will go across there like that. Super handy. So let's say I've got like a piece right here. So y'all see how I've got that one there. Now check it out. I'm going to get this little piece, and then this will go one there and one right there. Look at that. Now that adds extra weight to it. And then if I want to hang something on it, I can hang something on it. More storage bins. This is what I really needed the most out of these. But I went ahead and ordered the whole kit because I want to really deck this board out. I already have like a lot on here, but I'm just going to deck this out, and I showed y'all everything that you get with that kit. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's the 278 piece pegboard kit with the bins. We got to love our bins. See you guys in the next video. Woo!